The 2020 Mercedes-AMG GLC 43 4MATIC Coupe has been launched in India, priced at 76,70,000 rupees ex-showroom. It is the first made in India AMG from the German automaker, and it comes to the country as a completely knocked down unit or CKD unit assembled at Mercedes-Benz India's facility in Chakan near Pune. The new AMG GLC 43 Coupe comes in a facelifted avatar, sporting the new Panamericana grille, new bumper, revised headlamps with the new signature LED DRLs, new alloy wheels and redesigned LED tail light. The cabin also packs new features including dual display screens with the MBUX software among other upgrades. Power comes from the 3-litre V6 bi-turbo engine that now develops 382 brake horsepower and 520 Nm of peak torque. It is paired with a 9-speed AMG speed shift automatic transmission. The engine is locally assembled in India as well. Bookings for the new AMG GLC 43 Coupe are already open, while deliveries will begin soon. Tata Motors has announced attractive offers on its cars right in time for the festive season. The Indian car maker is offering a range of discounts and schemes including exchange offers, corporate discounts and consumer offers until the end of November 2020. The Tata Tiago hatchback can be purchased with total benefits of up to 25,000 rupees. That includes a consumer scheme of 15,000 rupees and an exchange offer of 10,000 rupees. The Tigor sedan gets benefits of up to 30,000 rupees that includes consumer schemes and an exchange offer of 15,000 rupees each. Furthermore, the popular selling Nexon gets only an exchange offer of 15,000 rupees that is limited to the diesel variant. The car maker is offering maximum discounts on the Harrier SUV of up to 65,000 rupees that extends to the Dark Edition as well. Kia Motors India has achieved a new sales milestone in the country with 1.5 lakh units sold since its arrival last year. The company, which began its operations in India in August 2019, has achieved the landmark sales figure in just 14 months. In October 2020, Kia India registered its highest ever monthly sales with 21,021 units sold. The company's strong sales are fueled by its popular models like the Seltos and the newly launched Sonet subcompact SUV. Interestingly, 75,000 vehicles or 50% of its total sales so far were models that featured the company's connected car technology OOO, pointing at a growing trend of connected vehicles in India.
If you like that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.